everyone, welcome to my language and history channel. I am Irina, going by the name of verb online. If you like the topics I deal with on this channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. It would really help me a lot. In this video, I'm going to present to you the verb to be and the personal pronouns in several Germanic languages so that we can draw a comparison together. So I'm going to skip English because, well, I suppose everyone knows it, and I'm going to go to German, Deutsch. Ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Dutch, Nederlands. Ik ben, je bent, hij, zij, het is, wij zijn, jullie zijn, zij zijn. Frisian, Frisk. Ik ben, du bist, hij, zij, het is, wij binnen, im binnen, zij binnen. Swedish, svenska. Jag är, du är, han, hon, det är, vi är, ni är, de är. Norwegian, norsk. Jeg er, du er, han, hun, det er, vi er, dere er, de er. Danish, dansk. Jeg er, du er, hen, hun, det er, vi er, de er, de er. Icelandic, Íslensku. Jeg er, þú ert, hann, hún, það er, við erum, þið eruð, þeir, þær, þau eru. Faroese, færøsk. Eri, þú ert, hann er, við eru, þið eru, þær eru. And a bonus of Old Norse. Ek em, þú ert, hann es or er, ver erum, þér eruð, þeir, þær, þau eru. You can notice that Old Norse and Icelandic have basically the same forms. The grammar of these two languages is very similar, basically because one is has evolved from the other. One other interesting thing to notice is that the English I am and the Old Norse ek em are coming from the same root from the verb wesana, which is to dwell, to remain. The other forms, for example, bin, bent, and the other forms starting with be, they come from the other verb in Proto-Germanic, meaning to be. So that's interesting, yeah, showing how closely related Old Norse and English are. One more thing to notice in Old Norse, the first and second person plural had two forms actually, because there was also the dual case. And interestingly, the pronouns in modern Icelandic are actually the former dual pronouns. Well, I hope this was interesting to you. You may pause the video to look on the different forms of these verbs and pronouns I put on the screen, and well, enjoy it. Like and subscribe my channel, and I really appreciate you being here. All the best and see you soon.